From raw titanium alloy to the final certified assembly, precision is paramount in flight-critical components.
The robotic arm verifies the precise physical size and initial geometry of the high-grade material. Descending to CNC intake. Maintain horizontal alignment. Speed 0.5 meters per second.
Utilizing non-contact laser micrometers, the system captures hundreds of data points, ensuring the titanium
The blocks of silver-gray titanium aluminum alloy enter the wing hardpoint milling zone 1, securely held by magnetic clamps for precision machining. The remaining blocks, routed for the Yak-130 fuselage pylon assembly process B, rapidly diverge into the fuselage pylon prep area.
The components are automatically loaded into the industrial vacuum furnace for the stress relief heat treatment phase.
Specialized tooling makes the deep cuts required for the fuselage shape, while high-volume streams of cutting fluid wash over the components.
Batch transfer confirmed for the secondary manufacturing phase.
Acknowledged. AGV is moving to the holding area.
Torque setting looks good on the readout. Confirmed. The alignment is perfect.
Check the matrix here at 0.7. See that density fluctuation.
Confirmed. It's within tolerance, but I'll flag it for the stress test review.
Hydraulic pressure is stable at 90%.
acknowledged. Proceed with the cyclic loading sequence. Stress distribution remains within acceptable parameters. Process A verification complete.
The reading on channel 3 is stable.
Good. The cyclic sequence is confirmed.
The stress analysis looks good at this cycle.
Data confirms sustained load targets are met.
Lines are clear. We can proceed with the lift.
Confirmed.
Testing phase complete.
Dimensional stability confirmed. 0 measurable plastic deformation.
The interfaces are perfectly clean. We are ready for integration.
Seal integrity confirmed on the forward latch.
Acknowledged. Applying the logistics tag now.
Looks secure.
Verified. Ready for transport.
Temperature and humidity levels are optimal. Process A is complete.
Confirmed.
We are simulating the maximum external load requirements now.
Preparing for the rapid load changes characteristic of aerial maneuvers.
Stress readings are nominal across the board.
Confirmed. Process B holds steady at maximum load.
Continuity test successful. 0 resistance change at -50 degrees.
Cross-reference the environmental pass criteria against the serial number.
All parameters are within tolerance. The digital handoff is complete.
Manifest for Process B is finalized.
Confirmed. Ready for export documentation.
The Process B shipment, a critical component of the Yak, is now in transit.
Easy, hold it right there. Lower slowly.
Confirmed. Confirmed.
All right, it's secure. Log the receipt.
Final checks on Process B complete. Wiring harnesses secured.
Confirmed. Ready for integration.
Initiating release sequence B. Power levels holding steady.
Confirmation on green indicators. Pylon registered as operational. Test complete.
Pylon attachments secure. Surface checked for discrepancies.
Confirmed. Process B complete.
Looks good here. No fatigue on the housing.
Confirmed. No stress whitening on the attachment points. Process B secure.
Munitions aligned. Sending the locking sequence now.
Sequence initiated. Green indicators confirmed. Operational readiness achieved.